guys, this is Katrina and I'd like to welcome you back to my channel if you're an old-time subscriber, and I'd like to say welcome if you are new here. And in this video, y'all, we are going to be trying out some products that have been around for a good little while, but I have not used in like quite some years. So basically this is a using my stash revisiting products video just so I can see if I still like them or not. Now I will say I have not used these products in a while, so I can't really remember how I felt about these products when I first used them, but I will have that video linked up above so you can check that out after this one. And if I recall correctly, I think I did like the styler from this line. So I know you've already seen from the title what these products are or what this brand is, and it is Curldaze. Now I will say that I did not review the shampoo or the mask, and I don't think I reviewed the leave-in conditioner, but I did buy these products at a later time just because I wanted to try them out. So I first went in with the Silky Hydration Cream Shampoo with kukui oil and agave. Now I will say that this was a pretty good shampoo. It was thin and runny in consistency, as you can kind of see it moving in the bottle pretty easily. It felt really nice going onto my hair, and I was somewhat able to finger detangle. Now I will say when I rinsed this shampoo out, my hair felt really cleansed, almost to the point where it was almost a squeaky clean. So I went in with a second wash just so I can see if it would like strip my hair. But once I rinsed it out the second time, like it felt pretty much the same. So then I went in with the Silky Hydration Intense Deep Conditioning Mask, and it also has the kukui oil and agave in it, and this is what it looks like. Now this deep conditioner was really thick and creamy, and it was really easy for me to apply to my hair. And once I started working it through my hair with my fingers, I could immediately feel it adding the moisture back into my hair. I was easily able to detangle with my tangle teaser as well. Once I rinsed my hair out, like my hair felt soft, but it wasn't like super duper soft, but I could definitely tell that my hair felt really moisturized and that moisture was replenished after shampooing. So then I went in with the Detangling Leave-In conditioner from this line. Now I will say that I really did like the way that this leave-in conditioner applied to my hair. It is that silky, slippery, light type leave-in conditioner, and it really absorbed into my hair really nicely. I'll just show you the consistency of it. It looks like, as you can see, it's like really thin, but it is like moisturizing and silkening almost. But yeah, it absorbed into my strands really nicely. And so we are going to take this cap off so you guys can see how my hair is looking with just the leave-in conditioner in. But before I take my hair out of these little buns, I'm going to show you the styler that I'm going to be using, and it is the Glossy Shine Gel. And y'all, the reason why I wanted to even revisit Curldaze is because, like I said in the beginning, I am using my stash, and as you can see, like it is like barely anything in the container, but I feel like this could be enough for me to complete my wash and go. So let me just go ahead and take my hair down. And this is what my hair is looking like with just the leave-in in. As you can see, y'all, my hair looks like super duper shiny, and it feels good too. Definition is there. All right, so we are just going to go ahead and section this back section off so we can get started applying this gel. All right, so we are going to go in with this much here, rub it in, and it is more like a thicker consistency. It doesn't really have like a tacky feeling or anything. So let's just go ahead and add that. And it is applying to my hair nicely. And when it says that it is adding shine, like y'all, my hair is super duper shiny. Not really too much clumpage going on, but you can see that my hair is getting more defined. So let's go ahead and add some more to the other section. Alright y'all, so this is what we are looking like. I am just going to go ahead and apply this gel to the rest of my sections, and once I'm done, I'll come back and let you guys see what my wet results look like. Okay y'all, so I am done applying the gel to my hair, and this is what we are looking like. Curls look super duper defined, and my hair is still somewhat elongated, so that's a good thing. So I'm just going to let my hair air dry. Once my hair is completely dry, I'll come back and show you guys my dry results. Okay, so my hair is completely dry. I did let it air dry for maybe 2 hours, and then I just diffused the rest of the way, and this is what my hair is looking like. As you can see, the shine, there is a hold to it as well, maybe like a slight hold, but this is what we are looking like. So what I am going to do is put these satin scrunchies on my hair to stretch it overnight, and then put my bonnet on, and I will come back tomorrow so you guys can see what my day 1 results look like. Alright y'all, so it is the next morning. Let's go ahead and take the bonnet off and take the scrunchies out so we can see how this wash and go turned out. Alright, so this is what we are looking like so far, y'all, and I'm not mad at it. We don't have any flakes, which is always a good thing. So far so good, and I will say too that this product smell does linger. To me, I don't mind it. It smells really good, kind of like a tropical type smell. Now let's do this side. And also, as you can see, as I am fluffing my hair, like it still does look a little like stringy, and like it still has like a little cast on it. So with that being said, like, this makes me feel that my hair is going to last longer. Like, I feel possibly like I may even be able to get like at least 4 days out of this wash and go. And I have this little thinning area right here, y'all, and I'm almost certain that it could be from how I wear my hair in buns. I've been trying to switch up my parts because usually I do try to do like a side part, but I have been kind of alternating my parts. So this is what my hair is looking like on day one, y'all. I still do have like a slight cast on my hair, but I'm not mad at it. And I do also want to add that, y'all, I didn't even finish the container. Like, I still have this much left. So I will try to use this up. I know that the directions say that this is good for twist outs, braid outs, wash and goes, and edges. So maybe once this wash and go gets a bit older, I can just kind of use this gel to kind of slick back my hair, maybe into like a low ponytail or something like that. But we will see if we can get this used up, y'all, because trying to use up my stash. All right, y'all, so this is day 3 of this Curldaze wash and go, and this is what we are looking like. There is definitely volume. I do still have like really good definition. There are some spots like in the front that are frizzy, and that just basically came from me putting my hair back into a low pony. And I will also say that my hair does feel moisturized still, but I feel like it is about to get dry. So I feel like I could get maybe 1 more day out of this wash and go. So yeah, this is my hair on day 3. So that is pretty much it for this video, y'all. Comment down below and let me know what you think of my results. And if you have not subscribed to my channel already, please go ahead and do so before you go. I would greatly appreciate it. I finally reached 5,000 subscribers. Woohoo! So I really do appreciate you guys subscribing and watching and commenting. Like, it really keeps me going. So you know, if anyone that can find this video or any of my other videos helpful, please go ahead and share it with them. And once again, thank you so much for subscribing and watching, and I will see you guys in the next video. Bye.